In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove Google Workspace in just about 5 minutes. Whether your business needs have changed, you're downsizing, or you simply wish to explore other options, today's guide will walk you through the process of cancelling your Google Workspace subscription efficiently. First up, navigating to Google Workspace is your initial step. It's the gateway to managing your account, and you want to start there. The process is straightforward. Just access Google Workspace by going through your browser. This step is crucial as it sets the stage for the procedures to follow. Once you're on the Google Workspace homepage, the second step is choosing the Google account associated with the workspace you wish to remove. It's imperative to ensure you're logged into the correct account to avoid any mix-ups or unnecessary complications down the road. After you've selected your account, you'll be prompted to enter your password. Security is key to Google, and this step ensures that only authorized users can make significant changes to the account. Following the successful entry of your password, you'll click Next. This action will confirm your credentials and take you deeper into your account's management settings. Now, for a bit of navigation, click on the square dots icon located at the top right of your page. This icon is your gateway to Google's suite of services and administrative settings. It's a simple yet vital step to access more specific areas of your account. Once you've expanded the Services menu, your next destination is the Admin console. You can directly go to this page by following the provided link or navigating through the Google Services menu. The Admin console is where the magic happens, giving you access to the various administrative settings of your workspace. Within the Admin console, you'll want to click on Billing. This section manages all billing related information for your Google Workspace subscription. It's here that you'll begin the process of subscription cancellation. Once in billing, click on Subscriptions. This page lists all your Google Workspace subscriptions and is crucial for identifying the specific subscription you wish to cancel. Now, locate and click on your Workspace subscription. This action will take you to the detailed page of your chosen subscription where you can see all associated details and settings. Here comes a crucial part, clicking on More. This is typically represented by 3 vertical dots or a similar icon depending on the interface updates. It's a small yet significant step that reveals more actions you can take on your subscription. Lastly, look for and click on Cancel Subscription. This is the final step in the cancellation process. Google Workspace might ask you to confirm your decision or provide feedback on why you're leaving. Follow through the prompts to finalize the cancellation. And there you have it. Step by step, you've navigated through the process of cancelling your Google Workspace subscription. Remember, it's always wise to double check you've backed up any essential data or information before finalizing the cancellation. Google provides tools and options for exporting your data, ensuring you won't lose anything important during the transition. Removing Google Workspace from your suite of tools doesn't have to be a daunting task. By following these steps, you can ensure a smooth and hassle-free process, freeing you up to focus on what's next for your business or personal ventures. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Whether you're streamlining your operations or simply saying goodbye to Google Workspace, these steps will help you achieve your goal efficiently.